Today, Sunday, September 5th, this is the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood Eldorado 1 year only steering wheel restoration for my friend Lee in Oregon. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set, and this is the fully assembled final embodiment of this show quality steering wheel that will be shipping out to my friend Lee as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. So the unit has been completely restored. This is a level 10 show quality restoration. The unit was cast under time and temperature and pressure for 30 days, then cured for an additional 30 days, hand worked, circular interpolated on a CNC milling machine in order to cut the receiving channel for the imitation wood grain inlay, and then the wood grain inlay fused to the body. All of the internal electrical components have been completely restored, as is shown in the predecessor video. The horn pad has been revitalized, and the Cadillac crest with the wreath has been retouched. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a show quality finish, and I've gone ahead and connected the unit to power, and we'll test the electrical continuity for the horn actuation, because the 1970 TriGon horn pad is a very unique 1 year only horn pad style and function wise, as that it has a very thin, requiring a very supple horn pad in order to facilitate the actuation of the horn. So we have a light bulb over here, and the light bulb will go on when we depress each of the areas that facilitate the horn actuation on the horn pad. So this is a functional horn pad in 1970, unlike the 1969 1 year previous horn, which was the rim blow style. So in 1970 we press here, and the light bulb goes on. The other upper right TriGon, same thing. The lower of the TriGon there, and also in the center. Okay, so we've tested the horn, so we know we have good electrical continuity, and everything else is absolutely beautiful. And this will be going out to my friend Lee as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is a beautiful 1970 Fleetwood Eldorado. Yes, the Eldorado is a Fleetwood as designated by the wreath. Technically the Fleetwood is considered, technically the Eldorado is considered a Fleetwood in 1970. Yes, it is. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado items in my collection, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, starting from 69 all the way through 78, as well as the 67 grip line steering wheels, 67 and 68 that is, as well as the predecessor steering wheels from 59 through 66, the two-tone with the hand grips in the front. So today is Sunday, September 5th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.